are going to check here the stretch width and height that can be used on several elements to change their section without actually losing any of their cuts. Because to change a section, we can go to Modify, and here changing the width, height, or length. But this loses again all the cuts. So here when we go Stretch, we have here height and width, and we can here select H. This will stretch the top face, but not the bottom face. If I press again, now I have both that are going to be stretched, meaning that my element will remain centered at the current location, when earlier it was going to keep the lower reference and grow above the element. And if I press again, it's unselecting the top, so it's going to stretch only the bottom face. We press H a fourth time, we simply deactivate this kind of stretch. So here only the top, 1. So here we change the height, but we are not losing any cuts. If we would like to do here with B, can do stretch, height and width, B. So here it's the opposite face. B again, that's both. So this allows us to keep the rafter centered. But for example, here on the outside, it doesn't work. So I'm just going to unselect this face, because the thing is, the value you are going to add will be used to stretch all active facets. So it doesn't mean it's simply going to grow the element of that dimension. If you have two facets on either side selected, you are going to grow the element twice with the value you then select. So here if I set ½ inch, the element actually grew ½ inch on either side. So they grew actually 1 inch in total. If I only kept the inside face activated, I would actually have grow my element only with ½ inch. So the element will no longer be the same section. So now we can select the one on the outside, stretch here, B. So this selects the inside here and the outside here, because it's linked with the system axis of the element. So it's first the positive width that is selected. So here I can deactivate it with middle click and activate the other one with left click. And here, before confirming, I'm simply going to enter the value. So now it's 1 inch in that direction. And now we can actually see that all my elements have the same section.